In the world of global markets, geopolitical tensions create the biggest opportunities and the biggest risks. And right now, President Trump has just thrown a massive curveball that could reshape not just international borders, but your entire trading portfolio. Welcome back to Markets and Global Trends. I'm bringing you the Greenland Playbook, and this is one you cannot afford to ignore. Let's break down what's happening. President Trump has significantly escalated his position on Greenland, framing it as a critical national security issue for the United States. His administration is pushing harder than ever to acquire or control this massive Arctic territory. But here's the reality: the pushback is fierce. The European Union has firmly opposed any U.S. territorial expansion. Denmark, which currently governs Greenland, has categorically rejected the proposal. And most importantly, Greenland itself has made it crystal clear they're not interested in becoming part of the United States. Now, just this past weekend, the situation intensified dramatically. President Trump threatened both the EU and the United Kingdom with escalating tariffs set to take effect on February 1st. We're talking about economic warfare tactics being deployed over territorial ambitions. This isn't just a diplomatic spat anymore. This is a full-blown geopolitical crisis brewing, and that means major market volatility ahead. So what's the playbook for traders? How do we position ourselves to profit or at least protect our capital in this environment? If this situation continues to escalate, and I'm talking about more tariff threats, diplomatic breakdowns, or even military posturing, then safe haven assets become your best friends. Here's your strategy. Buy gold and silver on every dip. And I mean every dip. These precious metals will surge as investors flee to safety. We're not talking about small percentage moves here. We could see significant rallies that catch most traders off guard. Gold could easily push toward new all-time highs, and silver, with its higher volatility, could outperform dramatically. At the same time, expect serious downside pressure on the US dollar. Why? Because international confidence in US foreign policy will erode, and global central banks may accelerate their de-dollarization strategies. A weaker dollar further fuels the gold and silver rally. It's a reinforcing cycle. Now, flip the script. What if cooler heads prevail? What if negotiations lead to a diplomatic solution before February 1st? Expect an immediate correction, possibly even a mini crash in gold and silver prices as the geopolitical premium gets stripped out of the market. Traders will take profits. Safe haven flows will reverse, and we'll see sharp downward moves. But here's the critical insight. Even after this correction, the long-term trend remains upward for precious metals. The underlying fundamentals: massive government debt, monetary policy uncertainties, global instability, those don't disappear. So after the correction, gold and silver will resume their uptrend. It's not if they go higher, it's WHEN. Bottom line, this Greenland situation is not just another news headline. It's a legitimate market catalyst that will create volatility and opportunity across multiple asset classes. Your action plan: watch gold and silver closely. If tensions escalate, be aggressive on the buy side during dips. If we get a resolution, be patient through the correction and position for the next leg up. And keep a very close eye on the US dollar weakness. There confirms the precious metals thesis. This is how professional traders navigate geopolitical storms. Don't get caught off guard. Stay informed, stay strategic, and always have your playbook ready. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to Markets and Global Trends for more actionable market intelligence. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on gold and silver here? Let's discuss. Trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.